today and I'm studying visual communication at UID.
I'm Aditi Pawar, second year animation student at UID.
Today we'll take a tour of UID at Karnavati University. The G block. I study visual communication and this block is for animation, visual communication and fashion students. I'll show you around the block, but nobody's there inside the campus because everybody's at the fest we're having, Art Mandi. So this is the Wacom lab and I'll show you what happens inside. So this is the Wacom lab and we students are allowed to use it in the college hours at any time we want. We get all the softwares, the equipment provided by the college itself. It allows us to edit images, create objects, render objects and create a lot of new stuff that we haven't done before. So what you see right now on the screen is him editing or creating or rendering an image or an object. So we're going to go into a fashion lab today and see all the equipment, the garments they make and the materials that they're using. So now that we've covered the classrooms and the labs, I'll come to the chill spot for the students. We come here to eat, to chill, to do whatever we want in between classes and even after classes. It opens before breakfast and is open till dinner time. There are different cuisines over here, all different kinds of things you want to have, from Punjabi thali to pasta to Mexican hot pot and even all the different beverages you would like. All of this varies between 100 and 150 and you can share it with a friend because the quantity is that much. So this is the basketball court and it's accessible to the students throughout the day. You can get any equipment you want for basketball, football, cricket, volleyball, badminton from the gym and it's available to all the students at any time of the day. There are other grounds as well. We have a football ground somewhere else which is really huge and you can play volleyball also over there. So we also have sports tournaments and sports teams for the college. We have inter-college festival from all different departments. People make teams and it happens yearly. And we also have tournaments outside college. We participate through the college, make a team in college and then go out for different tournaments for all different sports.
Hi, my name is Nihalika and I'm a third year student at UID and now I will be taking you to the wood workshop. Now we have reached the wood workshop, but before entering there are some rules and regulations that you need to follow, like tying your hair back up, but right now I'm only giving an introduction and not actually going into a class, so it's okay. Wearing proper shoes, covering your arms and your legs and wearing full pants. Also wearing safety goggles is important and having your gloves with you is also important. So let's go. This is the wood workshop where students like foundation students, product design students and GDP students usually come and work on their personal projects and projects assigned by the teachers. Here you can see a lot of different types of machineries that are being provided for the students to work on their projects. The faculty's experience here is very vast. They have an experience of over 20 years and most of the faculty are actually visiting faculties at NIT.
This is UID, Ignite Your Ambition.